This summer, a spiritual awakening crashes into the fight game. From the people who clearly lost control of everything comes the story of one man's desperate journey to find inner peace in the most violent place on earth. Sean O'Malley, after another crushing defeat and public humiliation, seeks guidance from the most unexpected guru in sports history.
Breathe deeply, Sean. Feel the energy of the canvas beneath you.
But my face hurts like hell, Phil, and my ego is completely shattered.
Phil Jackson, legendary NBA coach, certified Zen master, now an unlikely sensei for a very confused bantamweight.
The octagon is a sacred garden. You must cultivate your inner calm here.
Can I cultivate a knockout instead? Or just one win?
Victory is only a state of mind, young grasshopper.
I'm 29 years old, Phil. My opponent just called me a sugar scrub on Twitter.
Witness the transformation nobody asked for, from Sugar Sean to Serene Sean.
Focus all your chi inward, Sean, not your curse words outward.
This is impossible, Phil. My nose won't stop.
Will O'Malley finally find his inner warrior, or just discover a brand new way to lose spiritually?